Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to New Orleans, Louisiana, as we take a drive along State Street, a quiet and historic corridor located in the city's uptown neighborhood. Known for its beautiful residential character and tree-lined blocks, State Street offers a peaceful contrast to the lively energy of the French Quarter and downtown districts. State Street developed during the late 1800s as New Orleans expanded upriver along the Mississippi River. The growth of streetcar lines during this period allowed residents to live farther from the busy commercial center, helping uptown neighborhoods become some of the city's most desirable residential areas. Many of the homes seen along this route reflect architectural styles popular at the time, including Victorian, Greek Revival, and early 20th century designs. State Street has also witnessed the challenges faced by New Orleans over time, including the impact of Hurricane Katrina in 2005. While parts of uptown experienced flooding, many homes were preserved and restored, reflecting the resilience and dedication of residents committed to maintaining the neighborhood's historic character. Today, a drive along State Street provides a glimpse into everyday life in New Orleans beyond the tourist areas. It showcases the city's architectural heritage, strong community traditions, and the slower pace of residential neighborhoods that help define the broader character of New Orleans. Thanks for watching!